problem you run into is that it's crimped and you can't put a new primer in it. Looks good to me. Okay, so now that we've ran it through our Frankfurt Arsenal case prep center, our goal is to get to the 1.750. Now we're a little off, but you know what, we're gonna go ahead and take it. Okay, we've got a primer in the primer tool. Fit this right in there. And if we push up on it, well, now that the crimp is removed, you can see now there is a primer right in the case. There you go. Now that we have a primer in the case, we've successfully put a primer in a case that originally had a crimped primer. So I'm going to run through a couple more, guys, show you how it's done.